What about the balance between the daytime sleep and nighttime sleep? Because I have read somewhere that we cannot force the baby to sleep more or less in the daytime, but we have to balance the daytime sleep and nighttime sleep. Otherwise, it will disturb the overall sleep of the baby.
Absolutely. And daytime sleep is extremely important for babies as well. Now, like I said, in the first 2 months, the division between night sleep and day sleep is not very clear because they don't have their circadian rhythms. So it's a little bit fragmented, their sleep. I would say their night sleep can be anything between 10 to 12 hours and their day sleep can be anything between 6 and 8 hours in the first 2 months. After that, once a little bit of a routine starts to form, after 3 months especially, the division becomes a little bit clearer. Then their night sleep is about 11 hours and their daytime sleep is about 6 hours. After month 4, again, it's about 11 hours plus about 5 hours during the day. So overall, their night sleep remains between 10 and 12 hours in the first year, and their daytime sleep remains between 4 and 5 hours in the first year.
But कुछ mothers बोलते हैं कि my baby sleeps in the day and they keep them awake in the night. That is the most troublesome issue for the parents actually, newborn parents especially. But कुछ बच्चों में होता है कि they sleep. Like my daughter used to sleep in the night properly for first 3 months, as you said that बहुत ही अच्छे से सो रही है, day time में अच्छे से nap ले रही है. Although I followed the fundamental pillars of the baby sleep, but still, but few parents they come to me that okay डॉक्टर साहब, मेरा तो बेबी दिन में तो पूरा 9 बजे सोएगा और शाम को 6 बजे उठेगा, बट फिर वो 6 बजे का उठा हुआ रात को 2 बजे तक जगा होता है और 4 बजे सोता है, ऐसे करके. सो व्हाई डज दिस हैपन, लाइक डे टाइम स्लीप इन द इनिशियल मंथ्स फॉर फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स, कि वो दिन में सोते हैं और रात को जगते हैं?
So, like I said, they don't have circadian rhythms, right? So, with some babies, that might actually be their clock, right? Where they are sleeping during the day and they're awake during the night, right? So, to an extent, that can be normal also. And wo dheere dheere, as the circadian rhythm forms, it becomes better, right? But very often the cause is that these norms are not being followed, right? So we are not holding for naps.
Yes.
We are not watching the wake windows, right? Usse wo schedule slip hone lagta hai. So very often what happens is ki because we are not holding for naps, those naps are very fragmented, right? And those naps are happening at night. तो अभी क्या है, बेबी का डे एंड नाइट रिवर्सल चल रहा है, राइट? और जो डे टाइम नैप्स हैं वो हमारे नाइट टाइम में चल रहे हैं. नाउ वी एज द पेरेंट्स, वी आर नॉट होल्डिंग फॉर नैप्स. तो हम हर बार जब बेबी सो जा रही है, हम उसको नीचे रख रहे हैं, बेड पे रख रहे हैं. तो एज अ रिजल्ट उसके नैप्स बहुत फ्रैगमेंटेड हैं और बहुत स्प्रेड आउट हैं. सो नैप्स शुरू हो रहे हैं लेट्स से एट 8 PM. And because हम consolidate नहीं कर रहे हैं, we are not keeping the windows short, we are not holding for naps, those naps are also ending the next morning at 8 AM. And then the night sleep is beginning after that. Ab the next night, the same thing is happening. Instead, 8:30 the daytime is starting, 8:30 in the night the daytime is starting.
Yes.
Again, the naps are too spread out. And so the night is starting at 9 AM the next day. इसको हमें reverse करना है. And the way we reverse it is by consolidating the naps. So we have to do the short wake windows, we have to do the holding, so that slowly the schedule starts to shift in the other direction, right? And it won't be कि एक दिन में suddenly वो reversal ठीक हो जाएगा. It will be कि अगर आपका अभी बेड टाइम 7 AM हो रहा है, 7 बजे सुबह आपका बेड टाइम शुरू हो रहा है, वो धीरे धीरे होगा कि 1-2 दिन में वो 6:30 पहुंचेगा, फिर 6 पहुंचेगा, फिर 5:30 पहुंचेगा, और ऐसे धीरे धीरे वो नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगा along with the circadian rhythm developing. Now what you are saying actually happens even with older babies. Very often parents come to me with a baby who is 6 months old, 7 months old.
Okay.
With a full reversal.
Okay.
हाँ, क्योंकि actually ये काम शुरू में हुआ ही नहीं.
अच्छा,
right?
Okay.
So because these norms were not put into place, the baby's day-night reversal actually didn't get sorted out at that time, right? So the principle is the same. Even at that point, we need to understand what are the wake windows, what are the number of naps, and slowly shift the bedtime backwards. This has, I have done this with many families. I've supported many families with this. Ye ho jata hai, theek. And if there is any kind of reversal of the type that you're saying, or like you said, parents come to you and say, मेरा baby दिन में सो रहा है, रात को नहीं सो रहा है. Apart from this circadian rhythm thing, अगर वो किसी और time पे ये हो रहा है, it is 100% due to some imbalance in the wake windows and naps.
Yes.
And as soon as that imbalance is fixed, this is fixed. So it is not to do with वो दिन में जगा के रखो तब रात को सोएगा. उससे तो बिल्कुल सत्यानाश हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Okay, please don't do that. Please no जगा के रखना. हाँ, it has to be a very step-by-step approach to following the wake windows and the naps, and that clock will automatically shift.
Yes.
We have to just support the baby on that.